Good night, everyone. We are from Group 4. We will present a case study on the geosphere. First of all, thank you for the lecture for guiding us to complete this task. Before we start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. The first, I'm Lamtiar Parunolis Laban as moderator, and my partner is Evalin Damani and Cecilia Yosepin Sijabat. Our object or focus topic is geosphere. Did you know what is the geosphere? Geosphere is a new term that replaced the old term Erdo-birthplace. Geosphere itself comes from the word geos, which means earth, and sphere, which means layer. In simple terms, the geosphere means the layers on the Earth's surface. This is our case study, soil pollution at KBB due to KCAC cement walls. Environmental damage is one thing that must always be emphasized and considered by the whole community, because environmental damage can have a negative impact on the surrounding environment. Examples that can cause environmental damage are soil erosion, pollution due to industrial waste, mining, and pollution. Next paragraph will be explained by Evalin Damani. To Evalin Damani, time and place is yours.
Thank you, moderator. I will continue. For example, in 2015, the total cement consumption in Indonesia only reached 60 million tons. Meanwhile, the production reached 75 million tons, meaning that Indonesia still has an excess of 15 million tons. So, it means that Indonesia itself does not need a new cement factories. Likewise, in 2016, it's not much different. However, if Indonesia is to continue to build cement factories, it will also require a large area of land and space. The reason is currently many cement factories in Indonesia are starting to be polluted by cement waste, and one of them is tens of hectares of rice fields in West Bandung Regency, which are polluted by KCIC cement waste. There is also a cement composition starting from the highest, namely calcium oxide, silica oxide, aluminum oxide, iron oxide, and minor components other, one of which is calcium sulfate. Well, this component end up polluting the soil, in particular is land in agriculture. Next slide, please. The farmer there said what they saw was the color of the river water turning gray because it was mixed with cement waste. Based on the case study above, we can draw the following conclusion. The first, soil pollution is closely related to the geosphere. Geosphere refers to the solid part of the earth. It is used in conjunction with the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere to describe the earth system. We know that the soil is the outermost part of the earth which belongs to the biosphere. The second, cement waste can damage the soil because of the cement content such as calcium oxide, silica oxide, aluminum oxide, iron oxide, and other minor components such as calcium sulfate, which can damage the structure and level of the soil fertility. The third, cement waste contaminates the soil through waterways that irrigate rice fields and rivers. Improper waste disposal process make the soil polluted and even agricultural land. I give back moderator.
Next slide will be explained by Cecilia. To Cecilia, time and place is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Next slide, please. The next is the way that can be done are as follows. First, chemical, cycle, and biological treatment methods. The Beetle-Ross treatment process can be carried out chemically, cyclically, or biologically. The one of treatment example is stabilization or solidification, that is the process of changing the cycle form and chemical properties by adding certain additive or reagent compounds to minimize or limit the dissolution. The second is utilizing WAS as an energy source by means of co-processing. The third is methods of disposal of B3WAS in deep well injection. Next slide, please. The fourth is storage pond or surface impoundments. And the last is landfill for B3WAS or secure landfills. B3WAS is stored in landfills with high security. Back to moderator.
Well, this slide is end of our presentation. We think just enough. Sorry for our mistake and thank you for the attention. Good night, everyone.